Yeah, synchronicity is when there's a correlation between mutually exclusive events or scenario, or a correspondence in event or occurrence in time. Synchronicity. You know, serendipity is synonymous. You know, is when things don't work out as we anticipated. It's like you come America to become an actor, but you end up playing basketball and becoming famous. So things don't work out in the way in which we anticipated, but you still end up having favorable and advantageous outcomes. I found this book, right? So this is my
like the underlying mechanism of their personality and characteristics. I tend to encounter a lot of people who wear spirituality on their sleeve. They wear spirituality on their sleeve. It's like a 15 minutes first impression. And the stuff that...
So let's just say sporadically I drop my finger on the paper. So it's a point at the horizon where the two receding lines...
Language, man, it's a vibration, it's an energy, it's a... How would I put this into perspective? I don't think